Hello everyone. Today I will introduce a 6016 three-dimensional laser pipe cutting machine. This is a pushback feeding method. The feeding stroke can reach a length of 6 meters at a time. It is more suitable for cutting long and thick material. You can choose the laser according to the thickness of the material. Power. This machine is aimed at three-dimensional cutting of all metal pipes, with a stable structure and no burrs in the cut. The cutting range is wide, 16 to 160 millimeters circumscribed circle. The cutting tail is within 50 millimeters, the precision is 3 micron, and the maximum operating speed is 100 meters per minute. When the batch punching function is performed on the pipe, the flying cutting mode is selected, and the efficiency is directly increased by 5 times. The machines can be placed face to face, and one person can operate multiple machines. What are you waiting for? Come and experience it.